Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to request TV shows or movies on Netflix. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to request a TV shows or movies on Netflix, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after that this home page will appear. Now into here you just simply have to tap into this My Netflix option at the bottom right corner, and from there you will get to see these three bars at the top right. Just simply tap into that three bars and click to this help section into here. And after clicking into help section, it will give 5 options to you. You just simply have to choose this request a title option, and after choosing the request a title, it will lead you to the website of help.netflix.com. Now you just simply have to suggest 3 titles into here. Just simply put the title of any TV shows or movies into these 3 boxes and click to submit suggestions. If Netflix get a lot of suggestions regarding the same title, Netflix will bring that movie or TV shows on the Netflix if possible. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.